I didn't want to take this opportunity away to show the red moon. Over there, that is the. What?
He had mom's phone. Because I was calling mom and I knew my phone. I don't know. I'm sure I took my phone in my room.
Kimmy, what you doing up?
I woke up.
But you don't touch my goddamn phone.
Alright, this dog has been pooped in a cage. Man. So, before I can do anything else, I'm gonna clean her cage out. Kind of been a routine, like throughout the winter time, like cleaning her cage out like this. But this is the second time today I seen that she had pooped in her cage. Alright. Move again. Stay. I say get your ass over there. Move. Stay. Out, Ella. Up. Outside. Go. Outside. Outside, Ella. Get out. Get out. Come on. Bro, he's wet. He's nasty. Come on. Out. Get that motherfucking ass. Fucking playing with me. Shit, you don't want to shit it. Here, get over here in the corner. Over there. Now we just want to clean that area and give them baths so they can get their new linen. It's the garage area. It's long processes.
Beer bucket.
Yeah, Ella, she got some little splats on the floor too. So I'll make sure I get that. Get out of her butt.
Hey, girl. Yeah, 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 yeah.
See Jack trying to mount her. Here, Jack. Alright, can you move this stuff? Alright, as y'all can see, she's still in heat. And I'm gonna give her a bath. Cause she needs it bad. She pooped twice today, so.
She did?
Yeah. I ain't want her doing that on me.
Hello? It takes that one forever?
It takes, like I said, keep bringing it to me. She really dirty.
More?
How long? I told you, I have to keep bringing it to me until I say stop.
Oh, just not.
When you look up the couch, I want me to put my pants up on. Huh?
Yeah, just
You're not pulling them up with the action.
I'm gonna say I have to clean my room next time.
I need more water.
Need more water?
Yeah. I'm trying to get him to put my pants up. But Alice, she's almost done, y'all.
That's not chilling. Hi.
Yeah, you're not filling it up. Where you going? Come it!
Closing the door. I was trying to close the door.
I'm gonna get her one more wash since she was extra dirty. Good for her. Yeah.
Sorry.
There it is.
Did you see those both of them? You saw the lights go hit? The Walgreens bag. Mommy,
Huh?
did you see the mix up at Walgreens?
No, I ain't seen him.
Did you see the wipes up at Walgreens?
Huh?
The wipes?
I mean, this is all on the table. You put all that stuff on the ground, stuff, and I don't know if you took everything out or
No,
not.
I didn't touch it.
You still can't go in the house though, Ella. See, that's what I said. She's still on her. She's still in heat, so she really still can't come in the house. Your breath stink too. You look so. You don't like it. You don't like it.
Oh. You good?
No. No. Oh my God.
Do you want me to help? No? If I could help, I have one more glove. I can help you. So I,
No, I don't need you to put the leash on her.
huh? Put the leash on her?
Hold on, Mo.
It has to be in here.
Not that.
Cause I don't got them.
My back.
Did she take it out?
I need my back.
What?
For my back again.
You say you have your back here?
Yeah.
You don't took them out?
I was trying to bend over and wash her.
I can wash her, like, get all the soap up, like what you were doing.
Oh, you know what?
Mm-hmm.
Cause he said a water hose.
No more water hose.
But we do got a second one. I'm not picking no dog up.
No, it's okay.
I mean, I didn't pick no
It's all good.
It's absolutely fine.
Come on, Ella.
Now watch out.
Can you give me that?
Yes.
The water. Oof.
He's crying. He's crying inside the pillow.
No water. Where you going?
I was gonna shut the door.
I just. Okay, go ahead. Go shut the door. Ow.
Yeah. Wait. I'm marking.
Oh, my fucking back.
All right. You were doing this. This.
No. There you go. Don't make me come over there.